Hi, in this video I will talk about support and resistance lines, since I believe they're essential to understand my trading systems. Now let's get started. First of all, what is a resistance or support line? Well, I pulled up a daily chart of the Euro-Japanese yen here, and I'll show you some examples. A pretty good example is this line here. I put it at, what is that? 74 pips. Now, this is a resistance line. A resistance line is what you call when the price bounces off a certain price, when the price bounces off a certain line multiple times. As you can see, the price bounced off once here at the 74. Price moved down, tried it again, bounced off again, tried it again, bounced off again, but then it broke it. This is a very special moment, since usually if you trade with support and resistance lines, you know that after a resistance is broken, it will, first of all, the price will most likely go up, especially since this is a very strong resistance line, since it was tested 3 times. Now the price is free and can run. What did happen is that the price went up a good 800 pips, which I assume I would call that pretty good. So this is a resistance line. Now, what usually happens when a resistance line is broken is that it becomes a support line. A support line is something that helps the price stay up. As you can see here, after the price broke the resistance line, it went a little bit up, then bounced back, and you can see it retraced a little bit, but bounced on the resistance line that now became a support line, and then it went up lots of pips. Now I will show you some more examples of lines, and I'll also, here you can see this line. I put it at, this is 55.81, but it's not important. So you can see this red line. Now I also drew this blue rectangle. Why did I do that? Well, since this is not an exact line the price bounces off, this is called a resistance, a support zone, or an area, and which usually means there's like a 10 pip area the price usually bounces off. As you can see, it bounced here once, then bounced there again, then tried to bounce here, but then broke down. Now, as I said, usually these areas then become resistances. As you can see here, the price tried to retrace, bounced off, then broke up again, and then it became again a support, which is quite unique actually. This is kind of a cool example. Now another example would be this line, or this whole area. Here again, the price bounces off the support line, then bounces again off the support zone, then goes up a little bit, blah blah blah, then goes down, and finally breaks down, and then the support zone turns into a resistance zone. As you can see here, the price tries to retrace but bounces off this area twice, then breaks through again, and that's a great place to buy again. You would have went short here, grabbed a few, you would have grabbed like 500-600 pips, and then you would have waited, bounces, and then here again you can buy and make probably another few hundred pips. Okay, folks, folks, so that's it. You always have to watch out for resistance and support lines and zones, just to make sure you do not trade against them. For example, trying to short the price here is not a good idea. You should always wait until the price goes beyond or beneath the support or resistance lines. Okay? Hope that helps.